What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. So, to make a video yesterday, because on Thursday I said I'll make a video on Saturday, but I absolutely forgot that there was a party on Saturday, so I didn't get to do it. I'm making this video at 2 because every Sunday and Saturday it's gonna be 2 o'clock, because it's not gonna be for Tuesday and Thursday because I have school, and my school ends at 3. But we're back with this game today. 3 kilometers from the past. I saw that meteor thing. Okay, so yeah, we need some of that. The most annoying thing in this game might be, I don't know, maybe when the cocoons sing and you just climb up the tree. That's annoying. 50 million. How much is our quest? So 20 for the 8 km. Let's just sell our foods. Okay. So now I got 29 million. How much does it? The present doesn't give that much. Guys, I'm going to watch this ad, and so I'll be back in about 0 seconds because I'm going to pause. So I'll see you later once the ad's done. See you later. Okay guys, I'm back, and we got 30. So when we get 20 million, the quest, we can buy the nuclear fusion pump, and I might do a live stream next week to play all the games, because I've got a bit more subscribers. I haven't played these games in a while, so I might introduce myself again with live stream, but if you know who I am, good. Because I now have to go on live here. I see the meteor. Okay, so just sneezed. Okay, but guys, so we got, wait, how much vibranium? I forgot about these. 300. We don't have any. Let's save up for 400, because I remember what the pump power amplifier does. If you go to my oldest, because I had to start a new game of Infinity Tree, I think there was like a pump amplifier, and when fully charged, you tap it, then it will go onto this thing, and it will make it really strong. And that's what I need. So we need these birds to come. Oh, get that. All these clouds need to help us. No, chest. Mean chest. Oh, sorry I done that, guys. Okay, so there's a lot of clouds. You can clearly see. I'll make it. Okay, so you can see there's a lot of clouds in this game because the wind thing. We might do the quest. I might just make another video on this. Actually, yeah, there might be, in the live streams I was talking about, I might get to the meet the little prince part. I might not make 2 videos every Sunday now because I'm getting busier every time. Wait, did that just give me 0? On our way to get that quest. Okay guys, so I don't know. This bar needs to go faster. I just thought, why are apples growing on a UFO? That's just weird. Okay, they're close, but close. Not close enough. No. Really want to get to 90 km. Wait, a new bird! New bird! Okay, I like this. So it is rain dinosaur bird. We got enough, guys. We got enough. Nuclear fusion pop. We just need 60,000 lemons. Okay, that's pretty good. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this video because we're wrapping it up for today's episode of Infinity Tree. I hope you guys like this video because it's one of my first videos back. And guys, remember, like and subscribe, turn on the notification bells so you don't miss out on any videos. I make a video every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday. If I don't, something busy or I don't feel like, or my battery. Because I play not on computer, I play on mobile. And guys, don't forget to go to my TikTok. I forget to post. But I love you guys. I'll see you in the next video, I guess. Love you, goodbye. Peace out.